Hey guys, today I will show you how to view private account without knowing them on Instagram. If the Instagram account is public, then the profile and posts can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. While the private Instagram account, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages and your followers and following lists. Now the question is, what if you want to view a private Instagram profile without following a person? If you search private Instagram viewer on Google, you'll find tons of websites claiming they can help you take a peek at anyone's profile. Please do not use any of these websites or tools, as all the private Instagram viewers are 100% a scam. They pretend to be a search engine, but when you click search, you must complete a human verification, which is mostly surveys, so the website can make money from you. No matter how many surveys you have completed, at the end you'll see nothing. So how do you see private Instagram account? The answer is quite simple. If someone has a private Instagram profile and you want to view it, the only way to do so is by submitting a follower request. Tap the blue follow button on the user's profile page like you would for any other account. Wait for the person to approve your request, and you will be able to view the profile and post. So this is the only way to view private Instagram account. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video.